Hey everybody, it's Josh at Walnut Ridge. This week we're standing up on top of these ladders to show you again some maintenance related things, but a little different take on what we normally talk about. So we're always stressing how important it is to do maintenance because we don't want things to rot out because we get a water leak. But this particular coach is actually still under warranty, and the customer doing their maintenance, doing the checks like they're supposed to, noticed this back rail looked like it had pulled loose, which clearly it had pulled loose enough that water was starting to penetrate inside here and starting to rot this out. The good news is we caught it in time, so you got a little bit here and you got a little bit right here, and then some kind of damage, and then a little bit on this corner down here. But we caught it in time, so it didn't start damaging this back wall. It didn't get inside to the ceiling panels, the rear wall panel. I'm assuming there's probably cabinetry or something over this window in the back. So there's a lot of things that could have been damaged, but that just goes to show you why it's so important, even when you're in that first year of factory warranty, that you still have to get up and check these things. You still have to look at your sealants. You still have to reseal them if you notice any kind of abnormalities or some gaps or voids that's starting to happen. So just stress the importance of making sure that you're getting up and inspecting all of your roof seals and then everything on your sidewalls when you walk around. Since we're up here, I would, myself would take a look at all these lights and this camera and the window and just make sure nothing looks out of place on that. But that's the kind of maintenance that you have to do. And again, a good example right here of why that's so important to do it. Caught this one early enough, we're going to be able to make the repair, and then this thing should last a long time after that and hopefully not have any problems. I'm confident that this customer will stick with their maintenance schedule, and if they do have problems in the future, they'll catch it early enough that we can take care of it before it comes to cost and mistakes. So just a good example for you this week to look at. So thanks.